Sandeep here, and welcome back to my channel Wanderlust on Will. So right now we are going to Seven Hill Waterfalls, and I'll say like it's really fun to drive in Langkawi. It's so calm, it's so peaceful road, less traffic. In terms of driving, the local peoples are also very calm and peaceful. No unnecessary honking, no overtaking, no rash driving. They are very peaceful motorists out here. So this is a small ghat section that you need to take to reach Sky Cable and Seven Well Waterfall. That is the Sky Cable. I'm not sure whether GoPro will be able to capture those Sky Cables. And to my surprise, petrol is damn cheap out here. It's 2.22 ringgit. And this Toyota Avenger, we paid 400 ringgit for 4.5 days. So we have approached Seven Well Waterfall, and this is the parking area. For car you need to pay 2 ringgit, and for motorbikes you need to pay 1 ringgit towards parking charges. What they are saying, after parking we need to walk for 10 minutes to get down to the waterfall. Let's see. With zip line, there are some other adventures available here if you are to book. Like for the short trial it's 199 ringgit, and for the longer trial it's 499 ringgit. The short one will take around 1 hour and the long one will take around 2 to 3 hours. The initial part is very steep walk, so it's a bit tiring. Let's see how the road is treating us. So the first phase of walk is over. Now I am proceeding through the steps. We are approaching the waterfall now. Let's see how it is. Look at this, man. I'm loving Langkawi mainly cause of this greenery. It's full green. Everywhere you go you will find surplus amount of trees. And the second thing I'm loving about it is driving over here in Langkawi. People out here drive so calmly. No rash driving, no overtaking. I drove to Eagle Square yesterday. Drove around 12 kilometers on their highway. So peacefully everybody were driving. Maximum speed was like 60 to 70. Or maybe somebody were cruising over that. But on an average, what I found throughout the Langkawi, so driving speed, average speed is around 50 to 60 kmph. So that should be fine. So people out here also know that maximum tourists are driving over here, so they don't do reckless driving. They are full of patience. Like I enjoy driving in these highways more than anything else. So here come, we have approached the foothill of this waterfall. It's gigantic and it's beautiful. Take a look. Will take a bit longer pathway. It will be slippery, so be careful. Wow. So this is the Seven Well Waterfall. And see here, there's the sky cable. The sky breeze is visible from here. While going to the top through that cable, we were able to see a waterfall. I think that is the same waterfall, this one, Seven Well. Hope you guys must be enjoying this series. If you feel like any improvement is required, then please share your feedback in the comment section. See you soon guys in another new destination. Bye bye. So as per this signboard, the waterfall is this side and there are 7 wells up straight. If you will go straight in this way, there are 7 wells.